Good morning, everyone. I'm Rafael Taboada, and I'm here to discuss about deck push front. So, before I formally go to my topic, let's have a review about deck. So, what is deck? They provide a functionality similar to vectors but with efficient insertion and deletion of elements, also at the beginning of the sequence and not only at its ends. So, in other words, deck are like containers that have elements inside. So let's go to deck push front, function of a function of deck. So deck push front inserts a new element at the beginning of the deck container right before its current first element. So deck push front basically um, adds an element up front inside the container. So syntax required for deck push front is your deck push front, then your element, then your deck, then your data type, then your deck name, then the library requirement is deck. So let's go to a sample program. So here, as you can see, basic codes for our output. Then here we have our deck. Data type is double. Deck name is values. Then I have an integer I. So later on, you'll know what that integer I is for. Then here we push front 2.2, then push front 3.5. Then I have here one pushback. So pushback is just the reverse of push front. Instead of going, instead of putting your element up front, you're going to place it at the back. So here in this sample program, 1.1 would be our last element to be displayed, or the third element. So here you will see that the eye just helps us to display the elements from our deck. So our expected output would be the first element would be 3.5, then 2.2, then 1.1. So let's run it. So as you can see, 3.5, 2.2, and 1.1 as we expected it to be. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and again, good morning.